When you make Om, 3 Om. Om, Om, Om. When you make Om, remember 3 times. No, remember this Om coming, you see the Om coming from 100% the Om come to pour, you know what sound? Tikriya, what name? Huh? Sound.
Snake
Cricket.
or cricket. Yeah.
The cricket sound is the cosmic power. So you make Om, the cosmic power, cricket never, Om never come. Five elements. So now doing meditation, when you take care, left, first suppose left from sun, from moon, from sun come. That is we are doing left, right. Okay, take care. First start. Next clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Remember third times. Remember always in the third times. Okay, take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Again. Deep breath. Next clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. You belly button. Next clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. You clean 72,000 Fs. Okay? Deep. Next clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Look. Now we teach you all people. How many people doing? All doing. But all people open all the chakra. You know your 6 chakra active, 7 chakra active. This active chakra you doing morning to how many times do 2 times do meditation you put western air, but you putting from oxygen. You know what you put 72,000 cleaning nets, you know. You are inside pranam, abanam, samanam, udanam, biyanam. When the baby come out, your abanam, udana vayugal, already your body, you difference on you. You difference. Do difference. Everybody karma, star, each star difference. So why start by I do right, left, you clean. So why now start you come to right side? First start left, you know. They will ask question, your people, you know. You must understand why this man come and messenger come and keep right, then after do lunch, going left side. Why? You understand? We going to right side now. We were doing left side. Amma, we were doing left side. Sometimes ask you, why never do left side first again? Meaning you join to Paramatma, you complete sun. You know, sun is the right. So you're already, when you do much right, your 7 chakra working, now your pranam coming correct. That all pranam, from you take cosmic power. Pulogam, Porlogam, Sokologam, Magalogam, Jalalogam, Tabalogam. No. Up, there's a lingam. Lingam, there's Sutti Shiva, 14 mandalam. This is a light. He making your Atma, he making Nachatram, everything who make up Loham. So don't go your soul in the Loham. You must go, your soul go to the Paramatma. There's a lingam. So now come to from that lingam, no in the temple lingam. So now Shiva is dancing, but where's the dancing? Cosmic power. So he dance from air dancing, but down is the Pulogam, Porlogam, Sorkologam, down. So you clean after you touch. Suppose you already clean, now come direct oxygen. So clean your lands. So now in the lands is the virus. So your virus come. So you clean now from very good medicine. This medicine you have to do. Never do no. Now why come Kali Yugam, you know. People do, never do karma already. So your sapranam your abanam, your sabanam, your udanam, your Vienna is separate. American separate, London separate, every country no. Every man, each man, different, each man, different abanavayu when you born. So that is a coming karma come to some people virus, some people no virus. Your cell already inside virus come from what? You are now need oxygen, correct? That is you come down now. Correct, everybody come right side. You bend there, free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Neck lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up, release. Come left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Neck lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come. Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Neck lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Neck lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see, you doing 3 times. You are on my verse. Always you very good drink jnanam, you know, full jnana siddhi. Meaning soul air, my soul air, you know, no air. You ring and water. So always when you download, you are open Akini, you know this Akini. So this one, moon, sun. So open your Akini and moon, sun, you know, open already. So when you do air, all working from cosmic power, bring inside green lens. Now this is a way need people. How people do? People you have to active chakra, fast come, messenger come. That is a message give you. This is messenger come, Paramatma direct. All spiritual leader come to one syllabus and do meditation. You never active chakra, you do this breathing, only you cleaning this sun oxygen only. When open you eye, that way you remember third eyes. That is remember automatically will work. Suppose your chakra working. Morning you did meditation. Never do meditation, very difficult to take. You fast. So I am 24 with Paramatma. So different, I am in the, you first you cleaning karma siddhi. Next one you get yoga siddhi. Other one jnana siddhi. 3, you need to 3. I open 3 chakra, you get the jnanam. From jnanam, you cleaning your karma 3 years and 14 months, 8 months. 3 years, so I think to 10 months, okay. 3 years, 10 months, you have to clean your karma and continue if you do it meditation. You stop, you will come back again. Again, come again. So at least when you this continue cleaning 8 times. But you continue to meditation very fast, your virus cleaning. That is, I tell you, do everyday meditation. Now Malaysia, I teach already. They never do continue. They will never do karma. They have to clean, continue. Same Monisha. Monisha come continue with me. He fast get the jnanam now. So he talking very fast and take the amount of me talking. That place you have to clean the lands, do meditation. Now understand? So you go temple, you pray in the temple, he never open. So there's a one upper Samandar Mani, there 4 people there going light. So they poll, we won't pray. Nobody open. So how open? You to hardly you pray last time. You work. You hardly come to meditation. So you come temple, you clean, you know. That way you clean easily hardly. Come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, neck lock. Remember third times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Neck lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. Come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Neck lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come. Right side. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. neck lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now you start, we right, left. So when you walk, left, right, military mask, left, right, working moon and sun. You what happen now? Sun oxygen come, moon oxygen come. Sun oxygen come, moon. But it is sun time now. How to come moon oxygen? So if you do meditation, it will come all to the get. This is spinal cord. Now understand? This one cleaning time. Now you cleaning time. Spinal cord is a butterfly. Spinal cord 33 butterfly. So is come your chakra, all servers chakra, the life. Servant with the tattvam. Siva tattvam. This is Siva tattvam. Siva tattvam. Your body also rasam, bone, everything. So your body also tattvam, zero tattvam. Your sperm, your everything. There's a sabana vayu, udana vayu, everything inside tattvam. Your body separate body. So now in the spinal cord cleaning time, you remember third test, you look, I down like that, why? Lock, you heating, Tattingal thorakappadam. So they say, dog, nor the dog. How to dog the nor? You want to dog cosmic power, how do you want to touch? So there's a Pulogam, Porlogam, Circologam, Magalogam, Genelogam. Just air, Pulogam down. Porlogam, Circologam, Magalogam, air down. So he dancing. But air you are Muladharam 3 star. Swasittanam 6 star. Ragikede. Manipura 3 star. Anagadam 3 star. Vishuddhi 3 star. So Natikan 3 star. Moon 3 star. Sun 27 star. The sun rounding. Every year one sun. Going 27 years. But we do meditation, we round every minute your chakra working, you draw all nakshatra cleaning. But the sun now come already next January going to other nakshatra. When other nakshatra come, the pranam come, sometimes your coronavirus may be changed. But still you have inside virus. Correct? So even sometimes also you have virus. So you have to do meditation now, Kali Yuga. He will never stop. He will come, virus continue. After 27 years, again he comes same star. What happened? You are looking, all fall down, Very, very big virus. That is now in the world, start now meditation. 27 years, you said, Kali Yuga only 1,500 years more. So he will come earth always. Earth nothing problem, Earth dancing. Left, right. Who doing? This is Turiya Kanda. Who making earth? Paramatma making. Sun oxygen, moon oxygen, come down. So when we do spinal cord, now, when you do, he will do for you, when teach, he already give you jnanam. So what he give jnanam? With water air, come to coronary clang, arteria clang, pancreas clang, thyroid, pineal clang. This is a complete medicine. It's a pranam, sabanam, udanam. The why? Pranam, your anma is a pranam important. This is a yellow color. This is a saban, the abana why? This is orange color, Little orange, different color. No 7 color inside, chakra color also. That different color. The sun and oxygen different color. So usually Manipura coming then green color. This Sabana Vayu. Sabana Vayu green color. This color is a dark blue color. Udana Vayu dark blue color. So this one color, this one also, what color? No purple. No, multicolor. This come different way. So that way, this Vijnana Vayu, all color, it will come medicine. Puram in the pranam, all oxygen. How to now heat? So you will ask, how do you got the taxing cosmic power? So the scientists going yesterday going, which planets? They going yesterday which planet, This Vishuddhi Chakra, Chukuran, the Valli planets. They say Valli, the planets. Tamil is a Valli, what planets? Vishana. Venus. They got the, now Mars finished, they got the Venus. So the Venus for what? For sun. Why scientists never thinking? So we go into cosmic power. So they want to go to difficult to the black hole inside everything. But you going? but your soul is going. Soul, when you come, Parisuddha soul, Parisuddha fear void comes soul inside. Now you are all people doing time, your soul, you come, your last born karma, it catch you inside, So when you come, age coming, you come sick already. Why I get sick now? So your last one, you make the karma. So now you're deleting everything, So everybody, they don't know karma. There is a karma meaning you the virus, cell. So virus is the karma, He very clever. So now you doing your karma, She said, this one come to clean, you want to make one side. Now in the way I do meditation, you say nature. But 1,000 by year is come problem. 100% this December problem, I open Volcano. New Zealand is Volcano. Malaysia, New Zealand, what happened? Tsunami. So all Panchabhudam dancing everywhere. America is come, ice. Finish. Yeah, problem. So this one, all no religion. Next time thing, this is no religion. When I teach Malaysia, all temple, everywhere go. We go and come, go, finish. After New Zealand come 1 year, we come, Monisha going. Everybody, what is Monisha, what you do it? We, what you do it? Open only Chakra. You don't go Suttipaka, here come New Zealand, go here, go round and check, You open everybody the Chakra, correct? Your Sanantara Sabha, Vinaya temple, how many people? How many temple we go? Shivan temple. Everywhere go, 2 years he come do it. He already go Malaysia, but Paramatma messenger here, but you have to teach. But that is he making you very clear. So you have to learn from clear talk. You understand? You now understand what meditation. Okay, down, come. Why all silent? No afraid. This I talking only. I am Pavam. Come down. Come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You should 3 times do. Wait, Amma. When you down, there's a kundalini, When you baby, when you down, push out, you can see baby, it's soft, very soft. After he come, air is just like inside surrounded like that. I work up for him. I bring air. This is after your oxygen, So the Kundalini meaning, Eason meaning is the Konadi clan. Ganesha meaning, Ganesha, you praying Ganesha? It's the Konadi clan. The Konadi clan, Iswaran, Vinayar Eason. Your Spanish God Eason. Sadakala Eason. So that the Konadi clan complete, never come any sickness. Any sickness never come. So now you paint road this man, when I go down, all painting coming, why I make like that, You feel get the medicine. Okay, come down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now you look. Finishing, you standing like that. So this Guru, why he make leg? I make 3 times finish after 8 times you must do. So 1 more again. So you wait, why waiting? So when you do meditation, he coming inside your oxygen, you catch air, touch everybody. Where is the come oxygen now?
Yeah.
Right side? Huh?
Yeah, right side, yeah.
When you come your left side, why comes then right side changing? You do, who change it? Your chakra joined, change it to Paramatma. So everybody, I went one place. Correct? Okay. Some for me come no right side. No. Where's the oxygen? My oxygen where is? You touch? Amma come. Touch here. Come. Huh? No oxygen. I have oxygen. I have. No. From air, you must remember air. In the Mooladharam, there one nerves. The name is a para. Name what is that? Para. Tamil. So come air. This Anma air. Come to air. Inside tongue from air. Uchi air. Your Anma air always my soul. My Anma air. So what happened? He take oxygen. Really going for lens. Every day going inside oxygen from your eyes never see. That Balu button, that is Nabi Isa. I always Nabi Isa. Balu button, I am messenger. So that is you already Muhammad Nabi come. Allah Akbar. Alhamdulillah. So do we. So Yesu come. Yesu when come also Nabi button. Everybody from Balu. You know Rama, 10 cat Rama you are. Ravanan. Ravanan 10 cat. Then Ravanan come kill from Balu button, you know. Bang! Then finish. So Nabi Isa. Also he also Nabi Isa Ravanan 10 thalai, but he make the wrong. It's the world problem now, you know. So Sri Lanka everywhere problem, you know. Asura Ravanan, you know. You are all Ravanan Allah, you are. Who's a Ravanan, you know. Spiritual leaders are Ravanan. You are Panditji, all Ravanan, you know. 10 thala Ravanan. Never tell you to meditation, correct? Why never speak lie? Through tell Shivan, I will kill you in the Panditji, all I want to make king. Panditji make, you know, your Brahmanar making the fool, you know. You know, we were Arna Kair, make small Kair.
Yeah.
So Panditji make this Kair, you know. You see the Kurukal, Sandra Kurukal, everybody, they make the line. This line in Malaysia, many temples I open for all Brahmana. Do meditation, teach people, tell. I never tell you. For what? Then people die. So that way say, you do, your people, you are PJ people, New Zealand people, I take you. So when you do this one, take the pranam from, I take, where's the pranam? You say no pranam? But I still like talking. I went samadhi. So when I go samadhi, meaning my chakra remove and go. When you yes come, they hit. So yes, who keep, you know, one sincere, you know, tell him this yes inside. One sincere, he throw him, the man. Then yes, then they hit. When yes hit, he remove in chakra, go and again come, you know. Again come and 3 days and go. How? Now I am how many days? I go come how many days? 12 years, 13 years in Malaysia it is, actually I am here. What is this man? He never go out. One time only he take me. So he show me soul, my body either with a Jnanam Siddhi. Jnana Siddhi and 608 Siddhi. I never do Siddhi. I do any Siddhi. Siddhi meaning you go to God, correct? Now we do meditation. Okay? Put the leg. Now understand, do meditation. You need Siddhi, you know? You want Siddhi?
Yeah.
Huh? Yoga Siddhi. You do meditation, Yoga Siddhi. 3 years, you doing, 3 years you take your karma daily. So I teach Malaysia, all people, before 3 years, I am Isan. You understand? You first you do meditation, 3 years taking your yoga, you know, jnana karma jnana siddhi, you know. Your karma, jnanam, you take the wisdom, you delete 3 years, 8 months. You know, 3 years, 7 months, something you delete. 8 months you deleting karma. Then you 3 years before, I am Isan. You pray, I am come from Isan, I can. No, I am no Isan, you know. Nabi Isan up. Now do meditation, my sound comes. What sound this one? Cricket. This one Tamil says silvan, the small one, like that tree. Zzz. So up, zzz. I have always. What? I need Panchabhudam. What you need? Need? Earth? Water?
Yeah.
Vayu, air, Ahaya. Then, Nerapu, fire. So, Panchabhudam, all you need to balance. So, for me, 24 is balancing. I eat the orange now. So, it's a karma. So, I also, fast is karma I doing. So, Tudar also eat food karma, you know. But if I close, never eat food, you make samadhi. In Makkah, Ramadevar go 13 days inside, again come to out. You know what happened? Every Sisir he say Ramadevar, I will 13 years inside, you close, I will come. People jaka. Everybody go, only one man. After 13, one man only. Everybody run. He think they locally die already. After he come, he give Upadesam, go India. So India going, this Siddhi meaning 686, Paramatma doing you, for me also, he doing, you know. I need to wait. People ask, okay, you make anything magic? What I make magic, you must understand. What I make Malaysia? I open chakra, cancer go, asthma go, divers go, everything come good. You get everything, cell cleaning, virus cleaning. This is a sit. This is a sit. Don't do magic. But you think, what sit do it? Moses. Moses, you know, they are come to attacking you. He run the way seaside. Still they come to Moses and 10 like 5 lakh people going. So you know afraid, this is a Paramatma, okay, I go like that. Same you, I take you go like that, Malaysia. Okay, New Zealand going volcano. New Zealand going volcano. Yalla, come from seaside, walk, you come with me, huh? Seaside open. So volcano, come, stop. We are after Malaysia. So we think. So that means I never do. That sit he will do, Paramatma he will do, that happen, you know. Maybe from New Zealand I take to Malaysia. Maybe Malaysia people I bring New Zealand. Which one you want? Hello, you want to take PJ? Take the PJ. So, every country same. Amma, you must problem. This is a Kumari Kandam. This is a Kumari Kandam. You cut this one, how many pieces? Australia, New Zealand, America, all one country. Eh? Sri Lanka, Anjani are going down the road. Now Anjani already was separate. Ceylon, you know Ceylon. Sida go take. Ravan time. So now the water come. So China go water. Everybody divided. So Puram, now you virus come. How many country people die? Paramatma he tell every country do meditation. That is I told you. This meditation, no religion. So, Jesus come, Muhammad come, you understand? Now Paramatma come. Shiva come meaning, he is a Shivan, Satakala, he is done. You can never change, he show every religion. You make the religion. Now problem, Jnani, you know Jnani? Tattva Jnani. Jnani meaning Jnanam ring. So every messenger, every Sadguru, Nityananda, in India people, what are you ringing? Same Jnanam, correct? What you ring? The same Allah. Difference he will give you. This orange. Vinayagar, what he give? Jnanam. That Jnanam I want to give you. Who want to give you? Paramatma. He never stopped secret. He give everybody now. Correct?
Yes.
Everybody can take now. You see Malaysia, if 3 times take, is a Malaysia earth, is a Jnana earth. New Zealand is a Jnana earth. You want Jnana for me? Earth is a Jnanam. So very nice. How feel? No people virus. Everybody harm. Everybody, I love you. I love you. I love you. What?
Happy.
Happy what happy? Same happy you need. I ring biscuit. No biscuit. I ring Jnanam.
Yeah.
This Jnanam from water training I am already mental man. J.C. Mendel, Moses Mendel, Nabi Paitiyama, Mendela. No, they are correct. Messenger come and Rama correct. Correct? No, correct. Correct. He's come to doing job. You Rama, you say? So Rama now do meditation. He's a messenger. So everybody come messenger, but he is a messenger, only same syllabus. No change. This time he come to UK, no change. Don't play. This is Tattva. So the Tattva meaning, now do meditation, you listen. The Tattva meaning 7 Vitta Tattva. You know Vitta? Siddhi Vitta, 7 chakra work. After 5 Tattvam, Siva Tattva. This is a meaning 5 light. That is your Samadhi. You know Samadhi? So last do meditation, I went Samadhi. So 5 Tattva, Siva Tattva meaning light. So now you do meditation, you see your nose from God. Where is the God? When your third eyes do meditation, you see the light?
Yes.
Everybody see? Before you are black. You are black in mother inside. After come back, you see why baby crying. Ah! You come the black. Before in mother is light. The mother's stomach inside very happy. With Paramatma. He saw the Atma come 7 months. When the 7 month baby come inside, in the Atma very, very wide. No any karma. So when enter inside, what your mother, father, DNA karma, the soul come from last burn karma, come inside, out, then come to the pranam. I tell prana, you know, abanam, sabanam, udanam, biyanam. So all everybody inside, your karma. So now do believe you are deleting your karma and get jnanam, then you go God. Don't do any siddhi, correct? Now messenger understand? You can teach everybody sound? Teach? You could teach no? Why no sound? Huh? Who teaching everybody New Zealand people? Tomorrow I will go Malaysia. Huh? You can teach? You have to teach. So Paramatma, he will catch you, New Zealand people, he will teach you. You don't bother, he will push you. He will push you. Why? He need to help poor people, you know, power. So he catch me, he help you, you know. So he push me, go, I come, Paitya mental, I come here. Walk, I come. So same you, Paramatma selected your people. Very happy, no? Huh? You want a doctor, an engineer, which one you want? This one better or which one better? Huh? Why loving? Which one better?
This one.
This is a doctor, everything, complete medicine. Doctor kid for medicine, you need to pay money also. You need to take medicine, virus medicine. Also virus medicine, you know. All medicine virus. They will Arthur tell you your kidney take, you know, your anma is a pitta pie, you know, the green pie, anything damage stone you remove. They will say. Correct? So remove no. So no remove which one you will work? Other liver will damage, you know. You want fit other thing, anything? So doctor main key item don't tell remove, you know, remove problem, you know. He said, they are remove no problem. But he will who using that part? You must think before remove you ask answer doctor. So if you remove you put anything separate, you cannot fit. Right?
Right.
You can put lens. You can buy.
No.
Only kidney you can change. 2 kidney, 1 you can keep.
Yeah.
So now with the coronavirus come, you can change your lungs. You clean.
Clean, yeah.
You clean yourself, everything do meditation. Now Kali Yuga come messenger. Huh? So same message I give Malaysia. Now I give you. Huh? Don't make. You see the Malaysia, you take this percussion, you know. You New Zealand also take percussion. Every world country take this one teach. Correct? This is very good. Very nice. Yellow unit biryani.
Biryani.
Huh? You see, Arthur biryani no sound coming. Before I tell, you see, this is where I tell before you want to teach, no sound. Arthur biryani. Arthur. Oh, so why you biryani always eat taste you interest. So you never taste this one, you not get the taste. Okay, I don't want. You how I ask I look you. Now your mouth open. So people think maybe I am mental. No, people are talking. Maybe think you're like video man. Somebody you to eat maybe on sale talker. Correct? Now before they think, now your sound all come. Oh, this man. They think when you talk, oh, this man only recording. Okay, you want to show the people are talking. But your sound now come, oh, is a really Allah. Now you take really, what you take? Puriyani. No, really take jnana, man. You know, PJ people, Puriyani like, everybody like. Arthul Amma, Puriyani. Okay, fair mama, do now get jnana, man. Okay? Okay, make everybody sound. Let you know. Ready? Close eyes, third eyes. Remember here, eh? So, take hand everybody. Jodim. Jodim. Mother. Father. Jodiye. Sakruve Saranam. Jodiye. Okay. Up to meditation, eh? 5 senses close. Eyes, nose, mouth, ear, skin close. Eye, you close now. You remember, you do meditation. Now you chant chakra. Param, 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 param. Inch, 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 inch. Yes, now your 7 chakra, 6 chakra working, go into your Sahasrara chakra, then now ready to clean Turiya Kandam meaning, Anke Paramatma meaning cosmic power. Now you cleaning your chakra, all Nachatran 27 star, by each chakra, you doing cleaning your each chakra. Now 21 minutes, inside you doing time, Pulogam, Purlogam, Sarkalogam, Magalogam, Janalogam, Tavalogam, Adavalogam. Then Adavalogam, all logam, you cleaning everything, your star, each Muladaram 3 star, Swasitanam 6 star, Manipura 3 star, Anagadam 3 star, Visuddhi 3 star, Akniya 3 star, Moon 3 star, Sun Moon 3 star, all complete now cleaning, you are doing down. 21 now minute, you silent. Now everybody taking your pranam. Pranam may come to from cosmic power. So all gonad clang, atria clang, pancreas clang, thyroid clang, pineal clang, all from oxygen coming from Vasikat. This is all from cosmic power come to you. Now you are Pulogam, Borlogam, Sarkalogam, Magalogam, Janalogam, Tavalogam, Satyamarkam, 14 Mandalam. The 14 Mandalam up the Linga. There's a coming, rounding, pala, many. Many Atma coming, million Atma coming, Parsutta Atma meaning, fear white Atma coming. Now your soul come to very clear, very clear come to soul Paramatma taking wisdom. Now your tongue inside slowly water come. Your water slowly through tongue puram come. All chakra puram Paramatma keep jnanam. That time when wisdom come, up pulokam, purlokam, your soul never going. Only your chakra nachatram, they are cleaning only Paramatma now doing for a job, he give you jnanam. So you don't think you going pulokam, purlokam, sarkalokam, magalokam, jaranokam. So that one, you do meditation, Paramatma, your all karma cleaning from now you ring jnanam, karma siddhi going. From jnana siddhi meaning now you doing meditation, 3 years, 7 months, your karma siddhi and karma jnana siddhi. You are from jnanam, karma finishing. After you serve 12 years, continue doing yoga siddhi, 64 kalai, meaning 64 year white light come. So there's after that blue color come. Then left right light come. Then up light. 5 light come air inside. Now we keep Siva Tattva meaning 5 light. So Siva Tattva and Samadhi, going to soul, going to God. Now your soul ready to get yogam, then your body, you all no get damage. In the body you put any place, die, before after your body damage, again the soul come, very fast it will come. So it's a very fast, this is a 668, this is a jnana siddhi after that. Yoga siddhi finish, now you get the jnana siddhi. The jnana siddhi done 688 siddhi. Sat siddhi, you get the sit, meaning arivu, very sit. So this one, you take the jnanam, Paramatma, he will do you everything, you silent. So you doing now silent, now Paramatma keep you jnanam, you get your no more, your cell, 1 million cell, all remove virus. Again you go eat food today. Today you go eat food, virus come. This sun, air, oxygen come. You are inside your Vayu Bhavan. Pranam, Abanam, Sabanam, Udanam, Biyanam. Now you take direct cosmic power. Everybody, Pranam, Abanam, Sabanam, Udanam, Biyanam, different karma inside your body. That is everybody karma delete. Don't 3 year finish. I am already with God. I am God. No, you are no God. Nabi Isa come. 1 Isa. So Nabi Isa meaning belly button. Now your belly button slowly off, mooch off. You can see zero coming slowly. Your oxygen comes slowly. You can see your no breathing slowly. Come your nerves from, there's a paranerves. Paranerves come from air direct. Go to direct to cosmic power. Come to oxygen from belly button. Stop. No working. Your oxygen, you get the jnanam, you get the perimba. Om. Everybody. Om. Everybody sound. Om. Aril Perim Jodi. Aril Perim Jodi. Tani Perim Karunai. Aril Perim Jodi. Perimbam. Perimbam. What do you want? You ask inside. After take Santi. Peaceful. Okay. See my eyes? No problem, it will come from direct. Close. Om. Okay, now finish. So now for how feel? You what do you take? Huh? Wisdom you take, huh? Okay. Perumbam. Now I tell you next time do meditation. Okay, complete.